How to remove your Instagram profile picture. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to remove your Instagram profile picture. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, you can just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the profile section, you can just tap on the profile picture at the top. And now here, once you long press and hold on the profile picture, you will see the screen like this. Now here, just beside your profile picture, you'll see one edit icon. So there you can just tap on it, and now here from the drop down menu, you can just select delete and confirm your action by tapping on delete again if prompted. And with that, your Instagram profile picture will now be removed. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.